3, AMMC, la que te regala más que las demás.
Patrol on behalf of the Long Beach Police Department. On December 30, 2022, at 11. Is a 4-year-old Asian male, 3 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Zane Road is a 34-year-old black male, standing 6 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds with black hair and hazel eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2018 black Chevrolet Impala with California license plate number 8KDW830. If seen, call 911.